Welcome back, and let's dive a bit deeper into what's happening at Surfer. In the first half of this video, we'll reflect on what happened last year, and in the second half of this video, we'll look forward to next year. In 2025, we had to do a lot of groundwork, which was demanded by our fast growth in users and data. We worked on things like performance, security, data privacy, and much more. One result of this that you can see in the app are the new privacy features that give you precise control about what you want to share and with who you want to share it. But we didn't just work on boring stuff, so let me pass the mic to Marijn, who is going to tell you more about the cool things that happened last year.
Hi, I'm Marijn, product owner at the Surfer app. I'm going to give you an overview of all the product milestones we had last year. Just last week, we launched Surfer Spot View. Surfer Spot View is a new live view that brings anything that's happening on the water into your favorite restaurant or club. You can see live height, live wind, and more, and you can watch it while you're enjoying a beer after your session. Next to that, we built a new way to share your sessions from Surfer. From boring old screenshots, you can now share your session directly from within the Surfer app in different ways and to different platforms. And then there's the Win Games. Like the name suggests, the Win Games will be a new way to play games on the water, compete with your friends, challenge your friends, and participate in global events. The Win Games will seamlessly integrate with the Surfer app, and the public beta will be available early next year. Another almost ready project is the Wear OS app. Early 2026, we will release a completely new Wear OS app that will bring all the features we have at WatchOS finally to all of the Wear OS users. Last but not least, we have a completely new product coming called Surfer Discover Web. It's going to be a game changer for your next sky destination, and Ali is going to tell you all about it.
Hi, I am Ali, head of the development team of the Surfer app. Today I want to give you some insights how we use the Surfer app data to bring you new features. But once you are back on land, another question matters, and that is, where should I go for my next trip and what are the conditions there? Together with the team, this was one of the biggest things we have been working this year on. Over the years, we collected a huge amount of riding data, millions of sessions and tens of millions of jumps. So in 2025, one of our biggest projects was to make your data usable in a smart way, but also in a way which respects your privacy. To do that, we started something new, Surfer Discover Web. We created a tool where you can find new spots and new countries which you may have not heard before. You can see how the conditions are there, how high you can jump, how busy a place is, and how frequently it delivers the wind you want. We are starting with a first version soon, and we'll keep improving it in 2026. For us in Surfer, 2025 was about creating a technical foundation to ship features faster and more secure. Expect in 2026 to get more updates, more new exciting features on the water or off the water. We can't wait to see you using these new features and getting your feedback. So stay tuned and have a good 2026.
2026 will be a year of innovation, and although I can't share all details just yet, let me give you 3 Christmas clues. Clue number 1. Kitesurfing is or is not a solo sport. Off the water, we are a tight kitesurfing community, and kitesurfing feels super social. But when we are on the water, it becomes a solo sport. The moment you leave the shore, you are alone. You lose all communication and all interactions with your friends. You need help, lose your board, jump the PR. You'll have to scream or wave to get attention if you get attention at all. In 2026, we will reimagine digital kiteboarding and bring next level live interaction to the water between you and your friends. This will not only increase the fun, but will also add greatly to your safety on the water. Clue number 2. 2026 will be the year where we will be welcoming other sports. Surfer has focused a lot on big air and on kitesurfing. Our app feels like it's made for kitesurfers, by kitesurfers, and in all honesty, it is. But this year we want to bring this same feeling to other water sports such as wingfoiling and windsurfing by tracking metrics that are relevant to those sports. Clue number 3 and the last one for this video is our community. With so many users on the Surfer app, we want to give our users a reason to use the Surfer app every day. To engage, to interact, to learn, to discover, and to be part of something bigger. One theme for 2026 is to turn on the power of the community and bring features that enable the community to start thriving together. There is much more to say, but for that I invite you to join our Inside Surfer WhatsApp and Instagram channel, and the links are available in our Instagram bio. There we will make some additional announcements already this week. Don't forget to end this year with a bang, and I see you next year on the water.